Hello, welcome to my channel Crafts and Kitchen. Today I am going to be making onion cucumber raita. For that, into a bowl add 1/3 cup of finely chopped onion, 1/4 cup of finely chopped cucumber, 1 green chili finely chopped, 1 mint leaf finely chopped, and a few leaves of coriander finely chopped. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now mix all the ingredients together and then mash them with the back of a spoon so that they impart their flavors into the curd. Now to this add 5 to 6 tablespoons of curd gradually and mix well. Now here's a serving suggestion. I usually serve raita in a small bowl like this one. And make sure that there are 2 to 3 small bowls of raita on the table so that you don't have to pass the raita throughout your meal. And the raita is ready to be served. You can chill the raita for 30 minutes before serving, but that's totally optional. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in my next video. Until then, happy cooking and don't waste food.